I'm looking snatched. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start wearing my natural hair more often. Cause I'm looking snatched. I got a big head though. But I'm looking snatched. So I have not seen y'all since 2020. Oh my god, it's been such a long time, y'all. Like, y'all, I honestly haven't barely been wearing makeup. I've not had the courage to film I'm not even saying courage, like I have not been in the mood to like film and stuff. See, I don't have my lace front on because it burned me right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. I was like, no, lace fronts. Y'all gotta go. Bye. So yes, we're gonna get into this video. I'm gonna start by putting my eyebrows on first. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so y'all, my camera is so far from me. I need to get a camera monitor and stuff, but it's okay. I'm gonna prime my skin with my Fenty primer, Pro Filler Instant Retouch Primer. With 2021, I learned that priming your skin is important, especially my nose area, because that's where I have like the most texture. I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty foundation stick in the shade Chocolate Mousse. Hopefully y'all can see that. But I love this foundation stick. Like, I really do. But what I don't love about it is that my oils come through with this. Like, you know, I already know I'm oily. But I still love the coverage and the way this foundation like sits on my skin. Y'all see that? This is a really good foundation. Like, time for some concealer. I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Y'all already know. In the shade Almond. I'm gonna be blending it out with my techniques. Brush. I think this is a foundation brush. It's an expert's face brush, so honestly, I guess you can use it for anything. See, I remember when I used to bring my shit all the way like up here. I don't want to bring it all the way up there anymore because it feels like, I forgot, like, does that make your face wider or longer? I think it makes your face longer. Yeah, see this? I have not done my makeup since I've had this bun in my hair. But yeah. Don't get me wrong, y'all. Like, I love me some lace fronts, but sometimes they get draining. Like, you just be tired of applying glue and this. It's a lot, you know. I'm using my foundation brush just so that I don't have, you know how I said I was having it go this way, just so that it doesn't go that way. And you know, over here, I'm deciding to cream contour. I want to cream contour today because I just feel like I should really step back into my routine, cream contouring. I used to cream contour in high school and stuff, but then I stopped. I just felt like it wasn't needed. I don't know. So now I gotta find a brush that I can use to cream contour. I'm gonna use this Morphe M224 and we're gonna apply. I'm using this Milani Cream to Powder Foundation in the number 292. This is how I like my cream contour. And I'm cream contouring my nose now. I'm doing some new things. I need to not do this shit. I feel like this year is gonna be a really good year. Just because how I'm starting out with it. Starting my business, Virgo Cosmetics. I'm gonna be selling, so far starting out, I'm gonna start out selling the lip glosses, because if y'all know me, if you're a real OG, triple OG, and you've been watching for the longest, you know that's all I wear is lip gloss. Like, I'm not really into the lipstick. Like, I used to be into like matte lipsticks when I was younger, but you know, having the type of lips and full lips that I have, yeah, it's really hard to find lipstick shades and that just fit me. So lip gloss shades as well that just fit me. Damn, I don't want this scrunchie. Okay, Lisa. I use my Fenty Beauty foundation brush because I don't have no brush, so I have to use that one. Now I'm gonna blend out my this used to be my eyebrow pencil, my eyebrow brush that I used to use to blend out my concealer. Remember this old brush? Oh my goodness, this brush. It was this and it was this. These are the two things I used to my eyebrows. You remember these? I had these for years, y'all. Like, I had these two brushes for so long. Y'all know what's crazy? I forgot to put my mic on. Let me put my mic on, y'all. Y'all probably like, girl, I cannot hear you. I'm so sorry, y'all. Let me put this mic on. Do I sound better now? I probably sound louder, etc. But I forgot I had my mic. Okay, Lisa, get it together. But yeah, y'all probably thought it sounded so low. But yeah, so yeah, I had these brushes for such a long time. Like, oh my goodness, these brushes is old as hell. Alright, now, so now it's time to set all of this. Set. I'm gonna be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Honey. Y'all, I barely use this. I normally use my RTMA, but I'm like, I want to try some different stuff, you know, just try different stuff. Oh wait, one thing that I be like forgetting is that I have lines underneath my eyes, so the makeup I put there, it be creasing. So if you have lines underneath your eyes, make sure before you set with your powder that you get those lines like smoothen out before you put powder there, because it will set like that and you will be mad. I'm using my other lens today. That's probably why I probably like look a little bit different and stuff, but I'm using my other lens. So yeah, 2021, I said this in 2020, but you know, we're gonna say it again. we're gonna say it again. We're manifesting all 2021. Manifesting, like, y'all, I manifested shit so fast. Like, something today really surprised me that I manifested. I'm gonna set this cream contour that I have on my face. Like, I'm gonna set my concealer. And I'm gonna be using the Ruby Kisses mineral powder. I'm not gonna be putting so much because I don't need that much. One thing that I am doing differently now is because I noticed that, I don't know, like my skin be oily, and I see other makeup artists, like YouTubers that do their makeup, I see that they always do this, so I'm like, maybe I should start doing that. Like me, I just don't do the extra steps if I feel like I don't need to do the extra steps in makeup. Like, some extra steps actually do be needed. So I am going to be, as soon as I can find a brush, I will not use this brush. I guess I can use this brush. So I'm going to be grabbing what I bought, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation Powder. And I bought the number 700. And I'm going to be setting my whole face with this. Yeah, I used to never do this. And it is a perfect match. I'm so good at like guessing my makeup now. Like, oh man, babe, I'm just gonna set everywhere that, you know, didn't get set. Okay, so now that I'm set and I'm bronzed, now we are going to put on some eyeliner. And the eyeliner I'm going to be using is the Honest Beauty liquid eyeliner. And y'all, I love this eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. If y'all don't know by now, I love eyeliner now. I don't know, it just makes my eyes look really nice. Yeah, I just like it. Okay, y'all, so eyeliner is on. Now I'm about to put on my eyelashes if I can, if they're not all messed up. I'm gonna be using the Cavalli eyelashes in the style Millie, I believe it's Millie. I think so. And y'all, these in Scorpio, I love them. Those are like my favorite eyelashes. Y'all be wanting to try individuals, but I wash my face too much, and I feel like it's a waste of money because it just be falling out in like 2 weeks, and it's just like, what's the point? Like, you feel me? When I could just have strips and pay way less. And that shit is like a phone bill. Every 2 weeks, $107 with some eyelashes that just fall out in 2 weeks. No, these girls be bugging out, wasting their money. I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video.
Yo, what you give me what I want.
I forgot I had the Huda Beauty concealer, y'all. I don't know why I use it, but I like this concealer anyways. So, what was I about to do? So now that I have my eyelashes on, everything, I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Go set it. And highlighter. What highlighter am I gonna use, y'all? I'm gonna use a OG, triple OG. This is a Laura Mercier. I don't even know what this one is. The Face Illuminator Collection. Y'all already know. Y'all, I hate when I do makeup and my nose is running. Like, why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I have that cream foundation, Milani foundation cream thing. And I'm gonna use this to line my lips. Y'all, I have yet to find a lip liner. You know, was it this one? I don't think I used this one. I know what I used. I'm bugging. I'm like, this is too light. I want to grab my Fenty cream because this is way darker. I need to find a lip liner that's like this dark because I've been looking and everywhere is sold out. I'm gonna be using my brand, Virgo Cosmetics, and y'all, this shit is it. use my fingers. Alright. And yo, this is almost done. I'm bugging. I'm gonna put some mascara on. Y'all have not worn mascara in a long time. And I'm just gonna put on a little bit because this is the finished look. Okay, babes, so if you enjoyed watching my new 2021 updated everyday makeup routine, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yes, I love y'all. As I always say, I'm gonna see y'all later.